In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out devices from Telegram. This is a quick way to take control of your account if you've used Telegram on a shared computer, misplaced a device, or you just want to tidy up old logins. I'll guide you through where to find your active sessions and how to end them safely, either all at once or one by one. Start by opening Telegram on your phone, desktop app, or the web. Any version will work for this, and the layout is very similar across platforms. Next, head to Settings. On Android, tap the three lines in the top left to open the menu, then choose Settings. On iPhone, simply tap Settings in the bottom right corner. If you're on desktop or the web, look for the gear icon or the Settings option in the sidebar. Once you're in, you'll be ready for the next part. Find and tap Devices. This opens a dedicated screen that shows where your Telegram account is currently signed in. At the very top, you'll see your current device. That's the phone, computer, or browser you're using right now. It's a useful confirmation that you're viewing the correct session before making any changes. Below that, under Active Sessions, you'll see every other phone, PC, or browser that's logged into your account. Each session usually shows the platform, an approximate location, and a network identifier. The location can sometimes be imprecise due to how networks route traffic, so don't worry if it's a nearby city rather than your exact spot. Scan the list and take note of anything you don't recognize. If you want to log out of all other devices at once, tap the red Terminate All Other Sessions button. Confirm when prompted. This keeps you signed in on the device you're using right now and instantly signs you out everywhere else. It's the fastest way to secure your account after using a public or borrowed computer, or if you just want a clean slate. If you prefer to remove just one device, tap that specific entry in the Active Sessions list and choose Terminate Session. This is handy if, for example, you only want to sign out an old laptop while leaving your tablet or work computer connected. That's all you need. Remember to review your active sessions from time to time, especially after using Telegram on unfamiliar devices. Keeping your session list tidy helps protect your privacy and ensures only devices you trust have access to your messages. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.